Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am making rice, salmon, and asparagus. Come and make a dinner with me. First, I'm starting with my rice. Once you've washed your rice, add it in your rice cooker with 3 cups of water and let this cook until it's nice and fluffy. So I just got these asparagus from the supermarket, and now we're just going to cut the bottoms of these and then we'll season them. And for this, you only really need a little bit of seasoning, so just some oil, some salt, pepper, if I can open this, and a little bit of lemon juice. The oven's ready at 350 Fahrenheit. And you just want to make sure that all of these are fairly coated with everything that we just added. So I have parchment paper on my baking sheet. For me, I just like using parchment paper. This is very optional. And just let it sit right here. And we'll get started on our salmon. For the seasoning for the salmon, I just like doing it a little bit differently. So I'm just gonna have some oil in a bowl. I have about a 1/4 cup and some salt, some pepper, some garlic, dried oregano, smoked paprika, some lemon juice, and some lemon zest. Once everything's been put in the bowl, this is what it should look like. Check out this beautiful piece of salmon. I'll just be cutting it into fillets and then seasoning it. Season the salmon generously from top to bottom to sides. You want it all coated with that nice spice. Once everything is coated with the nice seasoning, just put it in the oven for about 20 minutes. It doesn't take long for these to cook. If you are buying skinnier asparagus, it should only take about 10 minutes in the oven. And this is it. This is the final product. I did put some slice of lemons on there just to make it look nicer and also a little bit more lemony. And this is it. Have it with some rice. You can put some soy sauce on the rice just to have a little bit of sauce. And the salmon, asparagus, and enjoy. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch out for more of these really cool recipes. Thank you so much.